Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijayashankar extended heartfelt greetings to all children in the state on the occasion of Children's Day. Raj Bhavan Shillong was kept open for school children from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. today to mark Children's Day 2024. In his address, the governor said that children are the future of the nation, the citizens of tomorrow, and they should be nurtured and groomed to become responsible citizens. As future custodians of our country, they bear the responsibility of safeguarding the motherland and building a bright future for all.
We must also teach our children values, kindness, honesty, respect for each other, and sense of responsibility towards the society. These are the qualities that will make them not only the successful individuals, but also make them to understand their responsibility in the future, in the coming days.
The Revenue and Disaster Management Department has